The night of December 28, 1879 is etched into Scottish history. A fierce storm collapsed the Tay Rail Bridge near Dundee, plunging a passenger train and 75 souls into the icy River Tay. This industrial tragedy gave birth to a chilling ghost story. On the anniversary of the disaster, locals claim that a glowing phantom train, lit by red spectral lights, can be seen crossing the gap where the bridge once stood. Accompanied by the faint sounds of its clatter and the haunting cries of its lost passengers, this ghost train serves as a chilling, recurring reminder of the disaster that haunts the Scottish winter night.